Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Blender, that is Blender version 5 on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Blender download. Hit enter. So you simply go to the official site of Blender. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of Blender version 5 is available to download, and it is also available for Mac OS, Linux and other OS versions as well. So you're going to download it for Windows. Just simply click on download Blender. It's going to redirect to the donation page of Blender. You can always donate because they have really developed a very good product. And here it is right, it started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see Blender is already been downloaded over here. So simply double click on that installer. Welcome to Blender setup wizard. You can minimize this. Just simply click on next over here. So this is where our Blender is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. And it's ready to install Blender. Just simply click on install. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And our installation for Blender is rightly begun. And there you go. You can see that it is rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. That's going to redirect to your browser again that donation page. So you can see a lot of people are donating. So you can also donate, totally your wish. So here is our desktop shortcut for Blender. So when you double click on that desktop shortcut, it's going to open your Blender app. So here is our Blender. So first this configuration. So default language is English selected. You can select any other language you want from this list. I'm going to proceed with English. And theme, it is selected as Blender dark. If you want to select light, you can proceed with light. It's totally your wish. I usually do all programming and stuff on night only, so I'm going to proceed with dark. And key map again, it is by default selected as Blender. If you want to change, you can do that. Mouse select, usually it goes by left. If you want to switch to right, you can do that. And also page bar action is play, that is what it is configured. If you want to change it to tools or search, so that also you can do all these different configurations. And after that, click on continue, and you can start working on your Blender. So again, select a general, or if you want to do 2D animation or sculpting, VFX, video editing, everything you can do. So I'll proceed with general, and there it is. So this is the interface of our Blender version 5. So that's how you install Blender. Please do subscribe our Geeky Script channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow all these videos. Detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So all these videos, including WordPress and Python, everything is free. So to check all these different videos, I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.